SOLIDPLANT 3D is the most comprehensive solution for plant design on top of SOLIDWORKS in today's market. Driven by an extensive database containing component catalogs from all major manufacturers, SOLIDPLANT 3D gives you the tools that you need to finish your project faster. SOLIDPLANT 3D offers modules for all disciplines in plant design, starting with the most easy to use module for steel structures. The structures are based on a 3D grid which can be converted into columns and beams following international standards. Structural templates are based on a single sketch line. A platform like this can be created with great ease, giving the user the possibility to change dimensions, add support beams and hand railings. A ladder can be created in seconds by just drawing a sketch line and setting the dimensions. The same goes for a handrail, which can be placed on multiple edges in one go. The process of placing a complicated flight of stairs that would normally take hours to design can be reduced to mere minutes for an experienced SOLIDPLANT user. The template menu gives the user the freedom to design his stairs in any angle, direction and size. A bill of material for steel structure can be created and exported to Excel in seconds. SOLIDPLANT 3D offers a vast library full of ready-made templates for typical equipment such as pumps, tanks, vessels, and more. All templates can be modified and then dragged into the drawing. Custom-made models that were previously made in SOLIDWORKS or any other 3D solution can be imported and converted into SOLIDPLANT objects. The pipe routing possibilities in SOLIDPLANT 3D are second to none. From manual pipe drawing to fully automated multi-line routing. SmartRoute uses the line list, either synchronized from SOLIDPLANT PNID or made separately, to determine the start and end nozzles of the lines and then route them automatically. Components such as valves can be placed at any point in the line and will include flanges, gasket and bolts based on the selected pipe component specification. Multi-Route Navigator is SOLIDPLANT's most extraordinary routing feature, allowing preview lines to be generated for as many lines as the user wishes. And all that with a single click. The preview lines can be converted into 3D models which contain all the relevant data. Modifying pipes, adding branches and components is very easy, as is the placing of pipe supports. Just choose a template from the list, attach it to the pipe and change the properties to fit your project. SOLIDPLANT 3D increases the speed of the design process by using area mode. The user can specify a certain area within the project in which the design tasks take place. Outside this area, certain features will be turned off, putting less strain on the operating system and thus improving performance. SOLIDPLANT 3D gives you access to all the relevant output documents of your project. The industry standard engine for isometric drawings, Isogen, is embedded in the software, allowing the user to generate the drawing automatically. Another available output document is the general arrangement drawing, which is also generated within moments. All annotations can be moved in case of an overlap. No more manual input, which leads to fewer mistakes. The project report lists all information regarding the equipment and piping in your project. Tags, descriptions, sizes, spec, quantities, it's all there. The BOM can be exported to Microsoft Excel to be made available to all relevant departments.